Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel. If you didn't see the last video, I did mention that I wanted to start doing a little bit different content, more lifestyle focused, a little motivational slightly, you could take it that way. But yeah, we do have a bit of a crazy pump at the end of the video, just working out, a little bit of chest and tricep day. Can't wait for y'all to see that. But as well, we did just start recently using a new editing software. So let me know what you think of the new transitions and stuff like that. If you like the video, throw a like down. Let me know what you think. It is taking me a bit longer to edit these videos because I'm getting used to all the new tools I have at my disposal. But other than that, y'all just sit back and relax, enjoy the video. A little cop nearby, but anyways, enjoy the video. After the video is over, hopefully got a little bit of motivation to get disciplined and just go out there and get after it yourselves. But let's have a great time, and let me know if y'all have any questions down below. Can't ask for much better weather than this. It is an absolutely beautiful day. Blue skies, couple of clouds. Can't ask for a better sound either to accompany the day. It's epic and I love this thing so much. Know down in the comments, y'all who have the auto or just auto sports car in general or anything, and if y'all like to throw it in manual mode sometimes. I honestly rarely do because my tune from Lund is on, you know, the automatic, so I usually don't go in manual much. But every now and then, like going through turns and just hearing it pop a little bit, get mess around. That's probably horrible for my transmission. I'll probably stop doing that, you know. But anyways, y'all just let me know what y'all do in the comments. Y'all just like always leave it in auto no matter what and just don't mess with it, or throw it in manual once in a while and make yourself feel cool and screw around a bit. Alright, so this is pretty much what we're working with today. We have my dad set up, but that's my buddy Ethan I'm with right now. He came to help me film a little bit. It's a bit of a different video than y'all are probably used to, but this is a part of my life, just working out all the time. And I usually work out at my college's gym for free, but we did pick up this set a few months ago, almost a year ago, for just a couple $100 for like the whole rack and all the weights. So we're pretty much gonna get after it, basically show you that you can still get after it even with a little bit of equipment. It doesn't take much, but yeah, I hope y'all enjoy. Now we're on that bodybuilder arc, trying to get lean. So we're lightening up the weight, going as many reps as possible. So I'm Ethan over there, we're getting it in. Let's get back to it. Hey guys, we did get a pretty sick pump today. We did a bit of chest, triceps, a little bit of shoulders thrown in. If y'all have any questions, concerns, comments, throw them all down below. Y'all know I read them comments and I will respond to them. Even if it's negative, you know, I'm doing my best. It is what it is. But my buddy Ethan came in today and he helped us film a bit, so very appreciative to him. He's starting a YouTube channel pretty soon, and I will link his in the description if it's up by the time I upload this video. If not, it'll be in the next video. But either way, I really do hope y'all enjoyed. And like I said, it doesn't take much to get it done. Like, we got this whole setup all used from a guy in an apartment that was just getting rid of it for like a few $100 before COVID. So, you know, it's actually, I lied. I think I said it was like a year old. This equipment's probably like 3 or 4 years old. And I've made a lot of my gains here. So it's really awesome. It doesn't take much. Just get to it, make the right decisions, try your absolute best, and, you know, praise God. I will see y'all next video.